We have reservations to backpack into Lake Eleanor, Mount Rainier National Park today. However, I don't appear to be in the mountains. That's because there's a change of plans. We made it to Sand Hollow Recreation Area, Site 16 this time. This is our third time at this campground because it's very conveniently located for a Friday night and it's never full. So this is campsite number 37 for the year, and we are staging up here to go into the wilderness. So I checked the weather yesterday morning while I was working, and where we were supposed to go is at 5,000 feet in elevation. Called for 100% chance of rain, 75% chance of thunderstorms, and snow down to 6,000 feet. So I started scrambling to find wilderness trips that we could go on that weren't too hard in eastern Washington, because at least here it's only sprinkling and not downpouring.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Ready to go?
Yep.
We are at Ancient Lakes Trailhead. Ready to hike about a 2.5 mile hike in. It is noon on Saturday. It definitely took us a long time to get going. We're ready to go. Off we go into the wilderness. I'm going to learn to light in this pack before I do the PCT. We made it to the lakes. I think there's 4 total. I have successfully set up the new bed. Wrestling a bear. So what we have is the Big Agnes Big Creek 30-degree double sleeping bag. It's a mummy / sleeping bag. So the lower part is just thin material because an elastic attaches to your air mattress, and then the air mattress provides your bottom insulation. Our air mattresses are rated pretty high because they're the fancy Cabela's ones. And then you don't ever slip off your air mattress. And then you have this down top quilt that zips on. And then you have pillow barns here, so your pillow doesn't go flying anywhere. It does have a hood, and you can snap this up and make it into 2 mummy bags. I don't think I would like that though. But it's so comfortable because when you roll over, you don't roll right off your bed or anything. But since we have 2 separate air mattresses under here, they're split in the middle. When I move on my side, over here, he doesn't feel it, and vice versa. I would recommend the Big Agnes, although it is a little bit heavy.
This is my tent. So right here I have my pillow that is attached to my air mattress. And then this is my very long air mattress. And then I got my mommy sleeping bag, so put my head in here. And then your body goes to the bottom, and then you zip yourself up, and you're kind of like a mommy. And then, so I got plenty of room in here still. So my shoes and hat go over there. And then this is where my backpack and pretty much all my stuff that I use goes to, and this is the screen.
All right.
That's all.
So Skillet Master Inn, what is our first meal on the trail?
Pizza quesadillas.
We're off to explore a waterfall. We made it to the other side of the waterfall, but my shoes are a casualty. I now have wet feet. Can you say boulder scramble? I have dry feet again. Good thing I packed extra leggings, socks, and shoes. What's for dinner, Skillet Master Inn?
Oh, you know, some white cheddar mac and cheese and sauteed summer sausage and chocolate and cinnamon and sugar quesadillas. You know, just the easy stuff.
No Mountain House?
No Mountain House here. We don't eat. What is that, like dog food? Not next week we can have dog food because we have puppy coming. But until then, no dog food.
What I look like after sleeping on an airbed. Isn't it lovely? But I have coffee. And beautiful lake. Now this is why I love to backpack. Good coffee. And I got all our garbage. Breakfast this morning, strawberry granola. That's what my toothbrush looks like. That was in my backpack for 2 years without being used. Ew. Guess I should have checked that first. All packed up, ready to hike out. Ready to go. I'm hiking out in water shoes because my shoes are soaked and are hanging on my bag. Someone else decided to cut themselves on a hatchet this morning. Good thing we have a first aid kit and a cool-headed wife. Farewell, campsite. You've been swell. Any last minute sage words?
Careful around sharp things.
It's a good one. What about you?
Don't drink the water here.
Yes, don't drink the water here, which we didn't. We packed in all our water.
And don't rock scramble.
Rock scrambling's fun.
Scrambling's fun. Don't leave your toilet paper everywhere because it's gross around here.
That.
And don't leave your garbage.
Exactly. Jerks.
And clean up garbage you do find.
We're trying out another local gym on the way home. Twin Pines Burgers in Cleellum. The owner must have been waiting on us. It's a cash-only place. Our order was $50. We had $45 in cash. So we were going to take a shake off, but she just gave it to us anyway. So you should check this place out. I bet they're super yummy. I can't wait to eat it. It's really, really good. I ate it so fast I didn't deal with it. How was it? Alright. What happened to yours? Is that good?
Half a pound of disappeared.
And yummy fries. I would totally come here if I were you.